Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Later in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these cute holiday coasters with Cricut. Let's get into today's vlog.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. Another day, another get it all done with me vlog. I feel like that's been my life lately, is just getting things done, knocking things off my to-do list. So that's what we're gonna do. I have a mental to-do list. I did write it out today, but it's inside the house and I will not be going to get it. So on the to-do list today, well, first of all, Mom, you cannot watch this video. I want to run over to Homegoods and pick up a couple more things for a little like kitchen basket gift that I'm getting my mom. If you guys watch over on Instagram stories, you know my mom sent me a Christmas list, a wish list, after much begging of me, and on it she had like chip clips, salt and pepper shakers, dish towels, things like that. And so one of you said it looks like the making of a perfect like kitchen gift basket, and I said love that idea. So I'm gonna go to HomeGoods and see what other goodies that I can fill into it. I'm also gonna be preparing for Sydney's holiday break. She's gonna be off for it's like 10 or 11 days. And so, you know, keeping her entertained is going to be a must. What else? I don't know, let's just head on out and see where the day takes us.
my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is
I got so many cute things and gift bags. I needed more wrapping paper. And then for homemade treats and cookies for friends and family, found some velvet ribbon, colorful ribbon, little gift bags. So we're all in good shape here. Sydney's home from school and she wanted to go through what I purchased from HomeGoods. I'm actually very excited for these. I think these are going to be such a cute addition to the Christmas presents. Oh, don't open those, honey.
I want
these.
some.
So this is.
one.
Do you know what this is? What?
Stickers to wrap.
No, it's not stickers, but it does look like stickers. So these are bags. So when we bake cookies, we can give them to like our neighbors and our family and friends. You want to do that? Maybe on like Friday on your first day off, we can make some sugar cookies or something and give them to people.
Can I have one sugar cookie when we're there?
Yes. Earlier today, I made these adorable holiday coasters using my Cricut Joy Extra. I have partnered with them in today's video, and I have all of the links to the supplies that I use in the description box below. I have the Joy Extra, I have some ceramic coasters, as well as some permanent vinyl, and it is incredibly easy to use the Cricut. I am not an artistic person. I struggle with using technology, and I did this no problem in literally like 20, probably less than 20 minutes. Let's be honest. It took the longest to pick out the design that I wanted to do. So after you go ahead and connect your Cricut via Bluetooth on your phone, you're going to go ahead and use the Cricut Design app. And in there, there's so many pre-made designs to choose from. I love to choose from the free option. And so I click through all of the free designs, and there are so many for the holidays as well. I ended up finding some Christmas trees, a little gingerbread man, a Santa's hat, and some snowflakes. I just wanted a variation of different patterns, but again, so many different options to choose from. So you're gonna go ahead and edit all of these designs in the design space, and I love how simple it is to read, you know, the measurements. And so I'm working with coasters, and I knew my coasters were 3.6 inches in diameter, so I wanted to keep that in mind and, you know, resize my images accordingly. And so that is what I am doing here, just kind of playing around with different layouts. Once you finish your design and you're happy with the layout, you're going to go ahead and click Make It. And so this is when you load in your material. I am using the Smart Vinyl in matte black. It's the permanent vinyl so that it doesn't come off. You can also use infusible ink, heat transfer infusible ink for this project, but I also find this permanent Smart Vinyl works incredibly amazing. I use it for so many different projects. So once you load in your material, you're gonna hit go or make it, and then the Cricut will start cutting the material, and it cuts things just so precisely. I've never had an issue with my cutting machine. Once things are all cut out, you're gonna hit unload and it releases the material, and that is it. So watch me here while I design the rest of the 3 different coasters, and I will walk you through the assembly process. I like to be as efficient as possible and do each thing in steps. So the first thing I did was design each coaster, and then I had the Cricut Joy Xtra cut out each design. And then from there, I went ahead and removed the vinyl that was not needed in each design by using this little tool from Cricut, which again, I will have linked down below. It is so necessary in my opinion to getting all of the intricate details removed. And so that just makes the process so much easier. And then I go ahead and use transfer tape. This has a grid on it, so you can make sure everything is nice and straight and even, which is necessary for me. And it's also makes transferring this vinyl design onto your item of choice so much easier. So I was just cutting the transfer tape to fit each design ahead of time, and then I went ahead and stuck on the transfer tape to each design. And I used this little like rubbing tool in order to get the design to stick to the transfer tape. And then once it does, you are left with the vinyl sticky side down that you can place on your coasters, rub it to make sure it is all transferred, and then remove your transfer tape and reveal your design. You guys, I am so in love with how these came out. There are endless options, and it definitely makes me want to go ahead in the design space and find more designs for all seasons and, you know, give them to friends and family. So again, I will have everything linked down below in the description box. Okay, so Sydney is gonna have her after school snack, and I'm gonna put together this little basket for my mom, like a little a little wicker basket. Has a little like white metal. I figured she can reuse this as well. I don't know, I'm a basket hoarder. Chip clips, because she asked for chip clips. She asked for a wooden spoon. People haven't seen her earrings. Guess what, you guys?
No, I want to show them.
Okay. Oh.
I got my ears pierced.
Sydney got her ears pierced. Okay, this one, and I'm sure, oh God, I'm gonna drop you. And the next one. Sydney got her ears pierced this weekend. Anyway, she had been begging and begging to get her ears pierced lately. And so we went this weekend, and she did really well. We went to a tattoo shop, so they used a needle, and I was slightly nervous about how that would go because you do one at a time. but she did wonderful. She also asked for dish cloths, which, do you guys use dishcloths? I do not.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January.
All right, so this is what I have so far. I'm gonna make it a little bit more pretty, probably put a bow on the front here. The chip clips, a ladle, wooden utensils, dishcloths, salt and pepper shakers, the coasters that I made. Those are all things that she asked for on her wish list. I'm gonna make some, like I said, the homemade cookies, and I would throw those in here. She's not a huge wine drinker. Otherwise, you know, I could do like a bottle of wine or something. All right, do not mind the overhead lighting right here. I'm sitting at my computer. I just printed off some sheets for Sydney to do on Christmas break. It gives her a little refresher for schoolwork and also gives her some busy work to do since we're gonna have so much time off. Some math problems where she has to find the missing number. We have addition color by numbers, subtraction color by numbers. What else? Like telling time, write the time in here. And I've just Googled free ones and printed those off. So I'm also gonna do up some arts and crafts projects to do. Not tonight though, it's too late for that. I will do that another day. But yeah, that brings us to the end of the evening. I am going to go ahead and shower, hit the hay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have an amazing holiday and get to spend lots of time with your loved ones. I will talk to you guys in the next video though. Bye.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna do